welcome to this demo video of bundle product. In this video you will know how you can create the bundle of any product. So we will start from installing it. Search the product and activate it. After that, go to the product and create a new product. It's a stationery kit. It is bundle type of product. Here you can see all the bundles product of this bundle. You can add new product. Okay, just add some product. After adding, I'm saving it. Now I will create a sale order for pack only. My stock is pack only. Okay, I will create for the pack. It will create delivery for the pack. Quantity is 2. Here we have given a bundle button. Okay, so I have created the product sale order for pack. After that, I will create for the product only. Okay, and it's a product only. Okay, just create a sale order. It will create for the product, not for whole kit. It will create delivery for the single products. Okay, here you can see that. Now next is for both. So it will create a sell order and delivery for both, for stationery kit and for its bundle product. Okay, add the product and just create a delivery. In delivery, you can see the product with its main product, which is stationery. Now we will buy or sell product in website. First, open a website, go to product and publish it. Okay, add the website and add the categories. Okay, add the categories, and after configuration, go to the shop page and search for the product. You can see the product with ribbon bundle, ribbon pack. Okay, after that, add the product with pack details and choose the payment method and pay it. Okay, just pay it, and after paying it, you can see the product in a sales module. You can also see the details of my orders in my order section. Okay, you can see the bundle order in the sales modules. Okay, you can see in delivery too, and and you can also see the sell the product in point of sale. For that, we will go to point of sale. Before that, activate it in a setting. Okay, and I think it's not configured. It's not configured, so first configure it. Go to sales and activate the product and add the category. Okay. Mm, I think I need to add in category. Okay, go to setting and add the product categories in restricted categories because it's not visible in our section. So now go to the session and you can see the stationery kit with all details. Okay, just add the product and go to the payment. After adding it, you can see the details. Okay, just go to the payment. Okay, pay. You can see the details in receipt, all the product with the main product. Okay, okay, so after this you can see the order details of product in orders. Okay, go to POS. Here you can see the all details, the payment and all. Okay, this is the orders. So next we will purchase the bundle product. For that we will go to the purchase and setting, just activate the feature. Now go to the purchase and create a new purchase order. Just select the bundle kit and after that it the details in the vendors. Okay, now confirm the order. You can see the details in receipt. This is the receipt. Okay, now we will filter or group by the bundle product. Okay, here you can see the filters and group by. Okay, this is the complete flow of our custom module. If you are interested in purchasing, the buy link and other details are available in the description box. Feel free to check them out. If you would like to add any extra feature or need any customization, you can contact us via email or WhatsApp for further discussion. Thank you for watching.